If you want to change your username on your MacBook, make sure you watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you exactly how you can change both your Mac username and password. So without any further delay, let's get started. To change a Mac user's account name, just follow these simple steps. First, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner and open System Settings. Once you're in System Settings, scroll down and click on Users and Groups. On the right side, you'll see all the user profiles. Find the profile you want to edit, and click the little info icon next to the username. Here, you can update the username easily. If you also want to change the login password, click on the Change button next to the Password section. First, enter your old password. Then, type in your new password and confirm it by entering it again. After that, add a password hint to help you remember your password if you ever forget it. Once you're done, click the OK button. You might be asked to enter the administrator username and password. Just go ahead and fill those in. And that's it. Super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.